and pick that big one.
How's that?
Do you like that mushroom?
I love that. I love that. That's in my bag.
That's in your bag, is it? Oh, that was pretty far away, Grandma. Nice spot.
You want me to pick those or you pick those?
You can pick them. Just
Oh my God.
careful picking them.
You got it?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh my gosh, there's 4 all right here. This is there's 5 right here. All in one spot. Look at. My gosh, Nathan. I am so glad you told. Wow.
I figured you on. There's more there, Grandma. There's more right there in that spot.
Oh.
Might be another little one on this side. There's one right. Yeah, there's. What is that?
Wait a minute. Oh, there's some.
There's one right here too, Grandma.
Yeah. Well, that's nasty. That one's nasty too. So, what, you break it up?
Yep, you crush it. Like good.
Just spread it. Here, did you get it?
Yep.
Is that nasty?
Nope. You already went past one. Yep. That's why you gotta use a stick and just go real slow. Grandma, I want you to come up here and look up around this basin out there. See him out there? See him out there?
Oh.
See him way up there?
Oh my God. Oh, it's so much fun. There's 4 right here.
Just watch where you step, Grandma. It's on the ground.
Oh, my God. Look at the side of that.